Hey techies, welcome to another episode of Techie Programmers World. I'm GK and we are going to learn a code with me. In this video, we are going to work with conditional statements. Before that, you should know about CPU. Wait. We are going to work with Python, right? So, why would you know about CPU now? Let me tell you. We knew CPU has three units: control unit, memory unit, and last ALU. Okay, here. What does ALU do? It does arithmetic and logical operations. We knew about arithmetic operators, which are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, etc. Then what is logical operation? It makes your computer think. Of course, it's not a computer. We are going to command the computer to work according to the conditions you applied in the program. We always make decisions based on the conditions. I'll tell you which is condition and which is decision. For example, you're going for a beach when the climate is sunny. Here, which is condition and which is decision? The climate is condition and we have decided to go for beach ride when the condition is true. So that is the decision. Okay, now, how do we implement this in program? For that, we are going to use the keyword called if and else. Let me show you another quick example with the coding. Okay, we are going to see a very basic version of creating your Google account. Just imagine what are the inputs it requires. Your first name, last name, username, password, and password confirmation. We just take only these informations for creating your account. Totally we have 5 inputs. Now we are going to see about the conditions. We should check whether we have written the same password in the 4th and 5th inputs. How are you going to check that? It's simple. Use the keywords if and else. Let's see how should we do that. If your 4th and 5th inputs are same, it should print your account has been created, or else it should print oops, your username or password is incorrect. Okay, till now we have seen for a single conditional decision, which means if the condition is true, this will happen, or else some other statements will be executed, right? Now, what we should do if we have multiple conditions and decisions? I'll show you another interesting example. In Australia, there are 6 states. In the input, if you are typing any of the states in Australia, then it should print you live in Australia, or else it should print you live somewhere. Now let's see the example in detail. By using the second command, I can give any input here, but it should match with the conditions below. If one condition means I can use one if and else statement, but for multiple cases, I should use multiple if and else statements. In other programming languages, they use else if for this condition, but here in Python, we use elif, which gives the same meaning as else if. Now, let me apply this for all the states in Australia. If the input doesn't matches with the above conditions, anyhow, it should make some decision, right? For that, we're going to use the keyword called else. Let's see in the output. Just be careful while typing the strings. Why? Because in program, if you are typing New South Wales, which is one of the states in Australia in lower cases, and by mistake, if you give the first letter in uppercase while executing, then it will show an error message. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends and support us. Until next video, bye and cheers, take care.